A hypophysectomy is the surgical removal of the pituitary gland. After this procedure, you need to monitor for signs of a CSF leak. This can include nasal drainage that forms a halo sign on a dressing, as well as drainage that tests positive for glucose, or a patient report of sweet tasting nasal drainage. In terms of patient teaching, we need to advise our patient to avoid activities that increase their intracranial pressure, which includes coughing, sneezing, blowing the nose, bending at the waist, and straining during bowel movements. So in order to prevent that straining, the patient should increase their fiber intake and may need to take stool softeners. We also need to advise our patient that a decreased sense of smell is expected for about 1 month. They should not brush their teeth for 2 weeks. However, rinsing and flossing is okay to do during this time. And then lifelong hormone replacement therapy will be required following the surgery.